Okay, so in our previous video we have worked so far. So in this video we will be creating a simple square function where we will input a value and it will convert and show us the square of that value. After this video I will be giving you a assignment and you will finish it, and if you want you can contact me on the YouTube or the GitHub or whatever you can like. Okay, so let's do it. So before proceeding I need to do the algorithm with you. So what do we need? We need to input a number, so square that number and number 3 show that number. But there are some smaller tasks. In console application we have seen that the read line doesn't give us the string, sorry, the number. We need to convert that. How can I know that? Okay, let's do it. So console.readline, you can see the readline function which I selected here returns us a string, but string cannot be squared, so we need to convert it. Let me show you some ReSharper magic. So press click here, introduce variable string, suppose value string, then I need to convert it. How from scratch, how do I know which function should I use? And you also can guess and ask me, okay, how do I know which function should I use? Well, to work on any IDE you need to focus on your need and start typing according to your need. Search for the functions, search for the classes the IDE is provided. In this case what we need is to convert, right? So convert the string to number. So let's start with conv. See, there is a class pops up and the implementation tells us converts a base data type to another base data type. I mean from one data type to another data type. So this is our class. Next what? Next let's check what function it provides. So let's press dot and you can see a lot of functions. So what is your instinct? It tells me to convert 2. Yes, it's 2. Check this line, 2 number. So if we write 2 okay, there is no number. If you press 2 int, well, there is 3 different functions. So we can see, select the middle one. You can ask, okay Faisal, what about the float? What about the double? So DOC, interesting. Float, if okay, there is no float. Another you can say, what about the dead time? Okay, so DA, check, dead time is here. So my summary is, to work with the IDE you need to understand how the functions are telling you what the IDE is telling you. Sorry, my bad, to integer. Okay, so this function is taking different types of parameter, and of course it is taking the string. You can check my mouse, it's a parameter. It's taking the string as a value. There is a definition of the value, a string that contains the number to convert. This is what we need. And this function, what it does, converts the specified string representation of a number to a integer. Summary. So we will check, and what is returning? It's returning a integer or an integer value str. So what can we write here? We can manually write integer value, or we can directly command the resharper to create me for that. Click OK, and you can also see the shortcut command here, Alt plus enter. So I'm not going to click it anymore. I'm pressing Alt enter, integer, and it's the value. So we have got the value. Next, square that number. So value, sorry, cross value. What's that? Okay, let me check. Okay, got it. It is the super intelligence of the IDE. It got me confused. Cross value, and we can write integer result. I got confused. And show that number. That means result. Okay. So let's build it. Let's run it. Pressing 10, press enter. It's 100. So again running. Let's suppose 121 is the square of 121. So that's a pretty much simple for your first step. Keep in touch with Facebook. We have a group and a page. Okay, I have copied you the links. We have a group and a page. Keep in touch with us. Okay, so let me tell you what I need from as a assignment. Create a calculator which takes two parameter or two input value from you and shows you addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of those two values. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.